Ever found yourself absolutely loving TradingView's charting tools, its slick interface, and the vibrant community, but then hit a wall when it comes to actually placing those trades? You're staring at that perfect setup, ready to execute, and suddenly you realize your broker isn't playing nicely with your favorite platform. Frustrating, right? Well, you're definitely not alone. This is a question that pops up constantly in the trading world: which broker truly works best with TradingView? It's a crucial piece of the puzzle because seamless integration can seriously level up your trading game. Imagine having your charts, analysis tools, and execution all in one place. No more switching between platforms, no more missed opportunities because of clunky interfaces. Now, before we dive into specific brokers, let's quickly touch upon why this integration matters so much. TradingView has become the go-to platform for many traders, and for good reason. Its advanced charting capabilities are top-notch, offering a vast array of technical indicators, drawing tools, and customizable layouts. The social networking aspect is also a huge draw, allowing you to share ideas, learn from others, and even backtest strategies within a supportive community. But at the end of the day, you need a broker to actually execute your trades. A good integration means you can connect your brokerage account directly to TradingView, allowing you to place buy and sell orders, manage your positions, and track your portfolio performance without ever leaving the platform. This not only saves time but also reduces the chances of errors that can occur when manually transferring information between different systems. So, who are the top contenders in this arena? While the landscape can shift, and availability often depends on your location, there are a few brokers that consistently stand out for their robust TradingView integration. One name you'll often hear is Interactive Brokers. They are known for their wide range of markets, competitive pricing, and sophisticated trading tools. Their integration with TradingView is generally considered excellent, offering a reliable and feature-rich connection for active traders. You can access a vast selection of assets, including stocks, options, futures, forex, and more, all directly from your TradingView charts. Another strong contender is FXCM. Primarily focused on forex and CFD trading, FXCM provides a solid integration with TradingView, allowing users to analyze currency pairs and other CFDs and execute trades seamlessly. They often offer competitive spreads and a user-friendly experience within the TradingView environment. Pepperstone is another popular choice, particularly for forex and CFD traders. They are known for their tight spreads and fast execution speeds, and their integration with TradingView is well regarded. Many users appreciate the stability and reliability of their connection. It's also worth mentioning OANDA, a well-established broker with a global presence. They offer integration with TradingView, providing access to forex and CFDs. OANDA is often praised for its regulatory compliance and transparent pricing. Now, it's crucial to understand that best is subjective and depends heavily on your individual needs and trading style. Are you primarily trading stocks, forex, or crypto? What's your priority: the lowest fees, the widest range of assets, or the most user-friendly interface? These are all questions you need to ask yourself. Furthermore, broker availability can vary significantly depending on your geographical location. A broker that offers seamless TradingView integration in Europe might not be available in Nigeria, for example. So, always double-check if a particular broker is accessible in your region before getting too excited. Finally, remember to do your own thorough research and due diligence before choosing a broker. Read reviews, compare fees and commissions, and ensure they are regulated by a reputable authority in your jurisdiction. A smooth TradingView integration is fantastic, but it's just one piece of the puzzle when it comes to selecting the right broker for your trading journey. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.